Okay, so you got some vacuum leaks or air leaks in your uh, intake manifold. So I had the same issue, and the guys uh, at the dealership and any other mechanic stores, they were charging too much money for to do a smoke test. So what I thought that is better to do something on my own. So I got this simple smoke test machine which you can make at home. So you if you have any waste bottle, so you can make two holes, put one pipe which will go into the intake manifold here, and the other one which you can use to blow the smoke which will be inside the bottle. So the bottle can be any waste bottle from you got any sauce, any mayonnaise bottle, and you use this baby massage oil. Put some towel into it and put the baby massage oil into it so that it gives a good white smoke. And then you can connect it, and after that, when you can connect it, and when you burn the cloth inside the bottle, then you can connect and you can blow it and the leaks can come. You can detect the leaks wherever they are. So in this case, I use it in this fashion. So I use it here at admin document folder, and if you can see the screw there where I'm putting my finger, so that was the leak. So I will show you how this thing really helped me to detect that leak. Basically, that was a screw which was very tightly. The guy has fixed it very tightly into the intake manifold. So right now I have the smoke. I have burned the towel inside the bottle, and there is already smoke. So I am blowing it, and you can see the smoke will start coming up from here, and you can just see because I'm just blowing there, a little bit smoke coming out there. Now I will blow again. So yeah, see now it's very clear, huh? So the property of the baby massage oil is that the smoke is very white and you can see it in broad daylight. So yeah, this was the point where it connected in the intake manifold. So this is how you can just do it at your home, and you can sort out the leaks wherever they are. So this thing was giving me really a big issue to me because my engine light was coming on and my car was going to limp mode. You can see the smoke coming from here. See, now it's very clear. So maybe this by this way you can sort out the leaks in your. If this video really helped you, so just give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The motive of uploading these videos are just to help you so that some small fixes can be done by yourself at your home. Thanks a lot for watching.